Hakahnyau tarik risau araja arpusan kaladon kejing lang pun sengopat ba halor kejing terwapan penaban penhe ya kejaka hiar bat kiu ling sun ha umroi bakentup ya ke runway terminal building bat kui ki kam ki be day bat kat ling sun da ka Airport Authority of India bala penlong da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB. Hakani kejing lang bala penlong ha ketika kat ling sun layodon lang ru da ki bor penyat district Riboy district nalor ki noyalam snong ki seng bahalang ki nongshong snong lamp ki wipat nalor ki bami khmat ya kabot ki het nak Airport Authority of India. Watla baro kila ai jingkershan ya jing terwa ke Airport Authority of India halor ka nong rim bakan don ke jing kiu ha ka roi ka par ka yok ka kot ka jela ka yok kam yok jam ki ba ai jing kran ha ka ni jing lang kila pen sengopat ba na ka jing yo i ha ka flex bala tho expansion of Barapani Shillong Airport ka bala pen bitar ya ki bat ong bakin lik thau kat ling sun hapung yam. Kila bujing keliru balai ka bentot umroi airport bat kenturu ban penbej bat benrap ba kayok kam yo jamru ka dei ban perkhat ya ki samla na ka than namar kimpan ya ka kamnya ni pilot lingsun hendra ki pani ki kam ki bagila ban trai kawai pat ka bapen bitar ka dei ki jingpen poi sithi shisngi shwa ban penlong ya ka ni ka public hearing sha ki noilam snong ki badan marjan ka te ka kat lingsun da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board
ngakren nagalayang jong nongsong snong jong Kamden mission hawa shisha ngipriang subha ya ga development nagamta ban penhe ya garpat ngipriang subha bat lada dun kamro ngin nang ya trilang bat hagawai gepor hagano gepor badon kam ngin ya trilang bat nabanta ka jinmentoy ya ga imlang salang ya ga district ya ga jela ya ga ri baro kawai tang ba kawai ngan su ajinmut ba kum ga public hearing ki pa nong snong le se kamtam ki ngi land owners ki ba sha kta most affected mo land owners ki de ben don lang ki de ben yo sngo da skor hendrei ngayo i ko ba ong ashok mene ka shuki ka thlilut tangan da nyo hang ne ki nong snong kat nongut ki don toyang ne don tangi kat to kat ne batip menta ngiwan shoot tip bej achanok kumbong ketin hindi achanok se te kane ga e mso tenat ngam de bekentho ngim so tenat te to ngipriang subha ya ga e ka baga sarkar ngiyaro ya ga nakbenta ga development ngiyaro ngi ai kublei ba kibor bahalor kile nam ta ga jinmentoy ban develop ya ga ri bat kajat benriu ya ka state ya ka ri bar India barok kawai te hakaju ka por nga ajimut hoaj ngilai kran spang tungkam tungjam jobs kemo ka job reservation dan ka you tegidon kita ki skill bala kren mene to kita ngipriang lada omla umdon unong traisnong banang ne ka than ga area umroi area barok kawai kamtam gini san snong ailat shagi weiro kari kasi jentia gidang don kiwei gidang don lada ngi nang ne ngim tibit ailat shagi wei gi district ro lada don syuki taun ra na bar state ro umlele kanero ko wei ngapan ken mau ba ya ki bor bahalor to se kum gajin kerpat penyo na ka hok chungki na marbun gi trajeka gi ba kanek bala dep simru kile andar protes kidon gi bale andar protes kidon gi trajing biyo tang sau pho hajaro kajaka gimyo tekin simle yu ya kata kim la mta gap song ying wai kum kene ga pen kan mau to pen ngap sngo kene kepor kum juro saka wai pat to kata ka jingwan karpot kamat wan to ya trilang bat ki bor snong bat ki trash snong ya in touch authority lese na airport authority touch cooperate with the localities, any issues locally, we should cooperate.
We, the people, the local people from this area, we have sacrificed our land. Even though you have compensated our land, still it's okay. We have sacrificed for the development of the state as a whole, for the connectivity of national level, we can say, to our state. We have only this one good airport here, but it is sad to know why is it not fully functional. So now you keep on expansion. So with this new expansion also, we are doubt now whether this expansion is just an expansion. But what about the flight operating in this airport? The big question is now to the Airport Authority of India, we can say. You have to answer this question. Why you cannot operate it in such a way like comparing to other states in Northeast India? People can come easily. People can connect easily to the state, but why not in Meghalaya? As a resident of Meghalaya, as a resident of this local village, I am very upset to see this. So from our side, we are fully cooperated with you all. Anything, like what those two gentlemen have said, we always cooperate with you in any way. What problem, no matter what problem you are facing, but still we want to make it in a smooth way. So we are not against the airport. We are not against the development. We are for the development. So what my question is, we have no objection. We do fully support to upgrade this airport. But the question is now to the government. I'm sorry to say that why it is not fully operational. So that is my point. One point, okay? The second point is actually from the very banner we can see here, it is written expansion of Barapani. Barapani Shillong. Okay, fine, Barapani. This is not Barapani. This is Umroi. Why don't you correct in your documents, it has to be Umroi Airport? If this Barapani, you go to that lake and fly your flight over there. That is Barapani. So, if now, even by the time when I enter here, when I see this banner, I was confused. Whether today we are sitting here for our Umroi Airport or it is a new expansion for the airport in that new area in Barapani. I was confused. But now, if you want to cooperate with us, the point that we raised to you also, please correct it. From now on, Barapani should not be there. It has to be, if it is in Umroi, why not? What is hard to write it Umroi? Umroi Airport, okay? So that is my second point to raise. And the third point, we have sacrificed, as I have said, our lands. We are working together with the headman and with the people of the surrounding villages. Whatever the airport needed, okay, we will give our land and get compensation no matter it is for the development of our area. Since we have sacrificed our land, that means like we have been talking about the employment problem also. So please recruit the locals. First preference should be the locals. Because, okay, we know, as they have highlighted, that there are so many posts like this, so many grade in employment, right? Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, whatever. It doesn't mean that we demand that from our area you appoint us as pilot. No, we don't want like that because we don't have pilot. If we have pilot, you have to appoint him also. But if we don't have, why should we want the thing that we cannot afford? We want only those type of work that our locals can do. Sweeper also chalega. Cleaner also chalega, whatever. But it has to be according to the capacity of the locals. That is my third point to be raised to the Airport Authority of India.
Ngakuak ban banjur nakaliang jongaru ba habidi ba tungkam tungjam ngangit ba kajing sacrifice jong kini longswa manswa ki jongi kanam long kabale no hoi kumlaong da resource person ba kidon lalaki jong ki grid te kumbaong mene ba nga tharai ki on skill tharai habedi bi on skill tingi don shibun namar kim don kam ke qualification habedi bi on skill tingi don shibun tele se ki don ki skill ru lene ki semi skill ki bana kaliang jong kinong song jong ki don sesobha ban pej bat ban consider ru yaki namar kila sacrifice shibun kila du no elaga jong jaka kila du no elaga jong ki ngisem ki jong ki ken hapan wan no shwe ka jaka kamdei ka basuk bangin wat shwe jaka bangin ya let song snong shwe ki jaka bangin snai ki ngi batmai kamdei ka basuk maka jingyat day hapedeng jong ki nongsong snong ki barim baki batmai kaya pher kamdei ka basuk na takadaw sumba bancim khia halor kane hoj ngakwa bantip ba nakaliang ki agencies kum kini ki Air India lane ki mo Indigo kidon emang ne la kidon namar ba ladangin keren tangya u Airport Authority India kamot kande bi tik tangi kam ki balai Airport Authority of India dan reka ka banga kwa kalong ba kane ka jing pensngau kalong ba yakini ki agencies ru nama ki Indigo ki Air India bat kiwi kidon ki kam ki baki ki light ki baki ki khot yang kwa balada ki khot kin khot bat pentip knang ba haswa ban le ek interview pentip sikirang ba snong knang bi rang ba snong ki jongi kiyo ban ai jing tipat ya ki khun samla ki bedon ya ka jing temu ban ni tre kani airport
ngimdon ban ya ka jing persya kan lene objection ya kata ka jing temu jongka airport ban penhe penyar ya ka ngi khmi lenti hi bangin yo AA lada kanwan kita ki development ban upgrade lane ban expand ya ka kumba kadon ya ka plan te jing kerpat ke jonga kalong ba omdei tang ban persngoi ke hering bat ban bu tang kita ban state ru ya ka kam khnang ba ka ka bangin khmi lenti kan long ke jing mentoi bat mangiru ngin yo ya ke jing mentoi hoi nginom ya keren tang development kandon ka gain ka loss da balik ya kano nginom ong 100% nang kababha 100% nang kabasniu kindon lang te henry kata ngi hab ban sutu kumno ngi hab ban pej ngi hab ban khmi ngi hab ban le ya ka bakum kita ka hering hagajing sisa kumbala kedau mo kumbalai kedau kitu ki pararang ba sakmat kila dei ban long sisngi swaya kani henry ta menem step te kum nongin khmi lenti baki nongsong snong kin aipor kan te lait nyok stang kum nga bala thrang palat bane don ni te la ino eta kawe program lah wan hang ni te compare kata nga kermen nang ni sekmat ban ya ka operate lang ban ya bit ya biang lang te la dadon kono ke meeting ke bangin ya kenduk lang kum kini te ngomba aipor sisngi lene arsngi kenang bangin ban prepare ke bang kita bangin ya pelai program tengi kersan ya ke bakadon ke plan ke jing kersan ko jongi nga support ya ka bat nga kami lentiru om dei tang ban pensngau ban pendile pat henry habalak yo ya kejeng kersan pen stat ru ya kata ka bapi ladon ka plan ma penhe penyiar ya ka
nakaliang jong ka sarkar jela kalau khot ya kini ki pajba ki bodon keleng jong ni ke airport bakin ai wala bakin pensngau ya ka sur ke jong ki laki pediang ni ki persya di nakaliang jong nga kumunong ilam snong hang ni nga ong bangi angi kersan bat ngimdon kono jing persya ya kan jing penhe ya kan airport namar baka jing kruku ga bakrau dan rengim kwa baka jing penhe kan kut tang ikot sada kata ka bana kaleng jung ngilong concern namar nakapor liok sngo ban penhe ban penhe hare lakut gisdam kawe ka pateng kalalej kawe generation kalalej ru kan ikam urlong dikai ka bana kaleng jung kinong ilam snong idon ni ka ban pensngau sia i ADM ibn kat bangi hang ni bakan long ka kubur siya ka sarkar jela ka jungi bakin ai ka pressure ya ka Airport Authority of India bakin penstet ya ka kam namar bangim kwa bakan ka jing penhe ya ka airport kat baka di banlong mata ngi kwa ban pendep no ka generation jungi ngim kwa ba di kun ki siu jungi pendep ta kata ka di ka poin ka banengkong ki bakwa ban pensngau hang ni ka poin ka baar ka bangakwa ban pensngau hang ni ngalayo ban priang ya ka jing pentip menimit khandai siteng leng ba ka WhatsApp kila pentip bakan don ke public hearing. Kat ke public hearing, ban pediang le ne persya ia ka jing penhe ke airport mudur mapi menemit yo mentas step ngi hab banwan tengi ngis ngo concern ya ka jing expert ni ke airport takadau ngi pelat ya ka por ka bakodo ka ngi bendon ka ni ke sengi kung bolong mentah ka don ka gap takabuburom ka don kata ka harai ka ba kamdon ka jing telang hapeng ka airport authority of India bat kidor bar snong jong ka ni ka surrounding lada kamdon ka jing telang i pa ka don ka jing mala sai sengi namar ba habangi wanra ya kano ka jing karoi ka par ngi don kam te pi kidor bar snong lada don ka jing telang hapeng ka dor bar snong kamdon jing nama ka jing teli ka long ka bor tinama kata kada ka bangakwa ka banbu hakmat jong kini ki officer ki bawan napo ka district nakta kini ki officer napo ka airport authority of India ru skobhase kandon kata ka jinge trelang hapadeng ki dorbar snong jong kani ka surrounding ka badan marjan bakani ka airport kanang bakanum don kanu ka jinge la saji sngi mar kumulong matangan ong pi ka don ka kharai ba ka penikhlat hapadeng ki nong song snong jong ki dorbar snong ki badan hapo surrounding jong kani ka airport authority of India tidak ka burom ngabu ka proposal ngai ka suggestion yu pi banang ni sakmat keep in touch bat kidor basnong krang ba kanu ka kam ka bodon hang ni po airport kanya smooth kala ai ka bentulun jai pa jai ba kanu ka jinge
Nakaliang Rajiv Ranjan, Director ka Umroi Airport, haka jinge kran bat kilat pathai kubo ula batai benya ya kisien jam, haka ban penhe ikani ka kat lingsun, haka ba ula ong, ka runway bementa ka don kat praspa arpu khandai mitar, bat an penhe sa sunspa nyopuoi mitar. Ula ong baki lingsun A320, kilat kinsala ban hiar ni kiyo haka ni ka kat lingsun, bat ben rap baka terminal building ka bahe 1,000 square meter, an penhe siya ka 10,000 sunspa square meter.
Basically, the Shillong Airport is being expanded. Right now, we have 1829 meters of runway. We are going to expand for another 571 meters. So total 2,400 meters will be the length of the runway. Then bigger aircraft like A320 can land here. Accordingly, we are going to expand the terminal building also. Presently, it is 5,000 square meters. After expansion, it will be 10,500 square meters. Besides that, we are going to increase the number of bay where aircraft are being parked, and bigger aircraft will be parked. These are the main things. Actually, rate in terms of around 3C code, in terms of 3C code, and it will become 4C, something like that. It will become 4C codes. Actually, right now, the expansion works will be taken over by the agencies. We will ensure that as far as possible, the semi-skilled people, unskilled people are taken from the nearby villages. For others, we will ensure that according to their qualifications, needs, we will definitely ensure that people from highly skilled and other specialized skills are also given the opportunities.
So till date, how many % of your staff do you have local, not only from this part of the state, but from other states also?
It's almost around 70 to 80% people are from local here. We ensure that the agencies who employ the people are from nearby villages, local people only. What will be the requirement? We will see. Definitely. Now, suppose that passenger footfall is 1.5 million per year. Suppose that then it will go to around, we hope that 5 to 6. So definitely the things will increase 3 to 4 times. Regards CSRs, last time we have taken up the Dhobi Ghat, something like that. And this time we have got the proposal from one blind school that proper facility and hostel facility should be there. We are working on it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.